What causes inconsistent emotional responses in toddlers? Have you ever wondered why your toddler seems to switch emotions so quickly? One moment they are giggling, and the next, they are in tears. This behavior is quite common and can be attributed to several factors. Understanding these can help you respond better as a parent. First, let's talk about emotional regulation. This is the ability to manage and respond to feelings in appropriate ways. Toddlers are still learning this skill, which develops gradually during early childhood. One major factor is temperament. Each child is born with a unique temperament. Some toddlers are naturally more sensitive or reactive. This can make their emotional responses feel more intense and unpredictable. Next, consider brain development. The parts of the brain that control emotions and impulses are not fully developed in toddlers. This means they may react strongly and quickly without pausing to think. Language skills also play a role. Toddlers are still learning to communicate their needs and feelings. When they cannot express themselves verbally, it can lead to frustration and emotional outbursts. Cognitive and sensory processing is another important aspect. As toddlers develop attention and problem-solving skills, how they process sensory input can affect their emotional control. Overwhelming sensory experiences, like loud noises or unfamiliar textures, can trigger strong reactions. Environmental influences matter too. The emotional environment, including how caregivers respond to feelings, shapes a toddler's ability to regulate emotions. Consistent and calm responses from parents help toddlers learn to manage their emotions better. Frustration and autonomy are key factors as well. Around this age, children start to explore independence. When their efforts are blocked or they face criticism, they may have tantrums or meltdowns because they lack the skills to cope with disappointment. Lastly, some toddlers may have underlying conditions such as attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, autism spectrum disorder, or anxiety. These can make emotional regulation more challenging. As a millennial mother, it is important to understand that these emotional ups and downs are part of normal toddler development. Responding with patience and effective strategies can support your child's growth. Practical approaches include helping toddlers name their emotions to build language around feelings. Modeling calm behavior and teaching ways to slow down responses can also be beneficial. Creating predictable routines helps reduce frustration. Providing comfort and reassurance during emotional outbursts is essential. If emotional reactions seem extreme or interfere with daily life, seeking professional advice can be a good step. Recognizing that inconsistent emotional responses are a mix of biology, development, and environment can guide you in nurturing your toddler's emotional growth while navigating the challenges of parenting.